Magandang hapon mga ka-happy hour. Narito ang mga balita para sa MBC TV Network News Update 4 PM edition. Escudero, ipinagtanggol si Ferrer, posibleng leading questions ang tinutukoy. Dinipensahan ni Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero si Defense Counsel Attorney Christine Ferrer, at ipinaliwanag na posibleng nagkamali lamang ito ng pagkakadinig o kaya naman ay leading questions, at hindi misleading questions, ang tinutukoy nito. Samantala, iginiit ni Escudero na sa ilalim ng rules ng Senado, hindi pa rin maaaring magbigay ng komento sa merits ng paglilitis ang isang counsel kahit pa ito ay nagsasalita bilang isang guro. Aniya, kinakailangang ihiwalay muna ni House Private Prosecutor Amando Ligutan ang kanyang tungkulin bilang guro, habang nagsisilbi pa siyang counsel sa impeachment proceedings.
The TSN says, Attorney Kapunan, leading, and then she corrected herself, misleading questions are not allowed on cross. Attorney Ferrer, she said they are allowed. Now, the TSN cannot possibly cover the overlapping voices, if at all. So most likely what happened, although we will check the video, would be Attorney Ferrer commenting on the earlier statement that was corrected later on by Attorney Kapunan and changed leading to misleading. Perhaps Attorney Ferrer was referring to leading questions and not misleading questions. But having said that, nevertheless, the court will include that as part of its ruling, with one caveat, Attorney Ligutan. While you do not remove your hat as a teacher wherever you go, the same is true with this representation. I had my fair share of teaching as well. Under the rules of the Senate, unfortunately, you have to unbundle it. You have to decouple it. Under the rules of the Senate, if you are counsel for the parties, you cannot comment on the merits outside of a fair and true report of what happened. In this case, based on the TSN, I am not sure of the accuracy, given that the statements made were pertain to both leading and misleading questions. Number two, it still does not take away, your being a teacher, does not take away your responsibility under the CIPRA to a fellow lawyer who you are jousting with or arguing with or competing against this impeachment court. The remarks of the good gentleman, the Attorney Ligutan, the counsel for the panel of prosecutors, is noted and will be entered into records. Thank you, sir.
Sa iba pang balita, PBBM tiniyak palawakin ang no-co payment policy sa mga hospital. Nanawagan si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa mas maraming pribadong ospital na makiisa sa PhilHealth sa pagpapatupad ng no-co payment policy upang mabawasan ang gastusin ng mga pasyente. Sa kanyang talumpati sa paglagda ng Memorandum of Agreement sa pagitan ng PhilHealth at St. Luke's Medical Center, sinabi ng Pangulo na hindi dapat maging hadlang ang kakulangan sa pera para makakuha ng kinakailangang serbisyong medikal. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, mahalaga ang pagtutulungan ng gobyerno at pribadong sektor upang gawing mas abot kaya at accessible ang healthcare, kabilang sa mga hakbang ng pamahalaan ang zero balance billing sa mga DOH hospital, medical assistance para sa indigent patients, at pagpapalawak ng PhilHealth benefits. Hinimok din niya ang iba pang ospital sa bansa na suportahan ang no-co payment policy upang matiyak na walang Pilipino ang mapagkakaita ng kinakailangang gamutan dahil lamang sa kakulangan sa pera. At yan ang mga balita para sa MBC TV Network News Update 4 PM edition. Abangan ang mga susunod na balitaan mamaya para sa 5 PM edition.
Mga ka-happy hour, kung gusto mong manood ang mga balita sa MBC TV Network News Update, mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, i-like ang aming Facebook page, at i-follow sa aming TikTok account.